If you were going to use your Google document rather than your pen on your workbook page that you would be uploading, I wanted to just quickly show you how you will do that. So you're going to, in order to underline the sentences that you need to underline, you would select the sentence that you wanted to underline, and over here you can choose underline like that, or if you do Control U, you can underline that way. Additionally, if you wanted to circle some words or have a word that you kept track of, you could select the word and you could go up and you could highlight it, something like that, so that you go back and that's how you would, rather than having pen on paper, that would be a way that you could make that information stand out. Then you will go through the raft technique. If you're doing this on the Google document, you're going to want to have your page 262 open so that you can follow along the directions. But if you prefer to type the information in here, that's fine. Just know you're going to have to do it a little bit differently than you would by putting the pen to the paper.